morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Right now, again, I'm visiting another farm somewhere on the Copper Belt. And basically the reason why I'm here is to try and see what they are doing here and learn. So I hope you will be learning. I'll have a gentleman that will try and help us explain exactly what's going on and how we can all learn. There's quite a lot going on. You can never go wrong when it comes to farming and agriculture. So here we go, and I'm gonna try and fly a drone over this farm so that you can see. Right. Yes. So banani antweno magadene musa tomato ni hapa pene fia. Okay. So nomba mwebe ne mwali kwatira if you nanguni ba bene bare chitantweno ni ma broilers. Namkwata ngama layers namkwata namona tega ma layers vile.
Ama layers but tamuli nko kutabara.
Oh, ero makulire. Oh, okay. How to prepare mina ko konkoko. Na mshikomena. Okay.
Muri kalakanda mwali shirika nombaga mulakifunya chipintu.
Tobate Kristo mwela.
Oh mwela.
Okay. I'm quite okay. Emily 1000. Mwiso muri 1000. Omu. Okay. Kuyakula 2000. Okay. So bakula pufika ila inenga ndemo mwikala nakula kunuma. Okay. Oh, muri chiria? Oh. Then ama light na mkwata fe yale fupa kupawa kuli bazesko. Okay. Oh, ila ni transformer hapa. Okay. Oh, this is really good. Sana. Okay. Okay, lakini niambie. Appreciate what is being done here. It's all about learning. See what they are doing. Yes, so let's see what all these people are doing, and we can learn from them. All right, I hope you enjoy that, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and smack that bell.